everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So, we did already study about writing up the test, basically how to write up the test and how we execute up the files, right? We did see the method for executing the file one by one or for executing up the complete files, right? So this is up till now whatever we had seen. Now, moving further ahead here, I just wanted to take a few more examples regarding for writing up the test. Okay, so into that particular case, I'm going to take up a new example right here. Now, what if I just go up to this particular place and make up a new test file? So, hope you remember that for making up a new test file, we did already have up a syntax, and it actually it is used to be followed up. Either you write test asterisk or you write out asterisk test. Okay, no matters. So here go to new and then go to Python file, and this one is gonna be like test underscore it's demo 3. Okay, test underscore demo 3 and then hit out enter. Fine, so I'm gonna cancel this out right at this particular place. Fine, so hope I am very much clear with this particular thing to you right here. Fine, moving forward, I could write up, and okay, one more thing, you could as well use out any respective library, or as well you could use out any respective module for making up and writing up the test right here. Okay, both of the thing actually works up fine. So what I could do here is that I could import up the relevant library, but right now I do not wish to do out so. I would simply make up a function that's div, and in front of that I would make up one of the files which are actually my test function, which I'll be making up here. So now if I talk about a test function, so for that as well I did mention up that what's the rule for making up a test function. Either you write test underscore or dash or whatever you just write out after test, right? So first name would be the test, so it goes test underscore fun1. Okay, my function name. Put up the colon, get down. Here goes my assert function, right? So, like I did already told you in this particular case that whenever we are writing up a test, so into that respective test, what do we use? We use for putting up the conditions the assert function, right? So that's a sort of function which is used up here in the way when we are using up test underscore fun. Fine, so here goes assert, and then moving forward with that, what I could put up here is that I could put up a condition. Let's say right here I want to put up a string. Okay, so let's say I wrote up apple is equal to apple, right? So in the last time, what did I put? Last time I put up only and only the integers, right? In this respective example, I would as well put up some strings as well, so that we could have a test that does this works on the strings or not, or things like that. Okay, so I'm very much clear with this particular thing. Moving down, I will be making up my second function, so that's def test underscore it's fun2, putting up the bracket and the colon and then coming down. Here goes my assert function. Okay, let's see now this for this one I'll be making that as false. So I would be writing up the string, let's say is pen is equal to pencil. Okay, I wanted up this respective to make it as false. So in the same way I am writing up here pen is equal to pencil. Fine, hope I'm clear with that. Moving towards my third function, so here goes def test underscore, here goes the fun3, putting up the bracket, and here I could put up any integer as well. So assert I could write, now in this way I could write that n is equal to 22, and I could write up that assert n percent 2 is equal to 0, right? Yeah, one more thing right here, that you could put up some conditions like this sort of as well, that you could put up a variable, and onto that respective variable you could put up some value. Okay, And after that, using up the assert, you could apply up your relevant condition, and then you could move forward with the rest of the things, whatever you wish out. Right, so hope I am clear with that. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to run this out right here. So run, here goes this out, right? Okay, I'm so sorry, I didn't need to run it out. I need to go on to the terminal, right? And I need to write up a relevant file, so relevant this name. So here goes that PyTest, and after that we have the PyTest dash v, and then goes test underscore demo3 dot py, right, and hit out enter. So let's see that basically how is it gonna give us a test result. Great. So moving above right here, what it showed to me, that it has collected up in total 3 items. So yeah, I was having 3 functions onto that particular file. So absolutely it's fine that it collected up 3 items. Then in the test underscore demo3 file, the test underscore fun1 is passed, test underscore fun2 is failed, and test underscore fun3 is as well passed out, right? Now let's move about and check about the failures. So right here, okay, so failures is your test underscore fun2, right? That's your failure right here. So let me take you down right here, failure, you are having that out. So here the function was that assert pen is equal to pencil, right? Assert pen is equal to pencil. So in that respective case, it is showing that you got up the assertion error here for the test underscore fun2, because that's not similar, right? So at last it is showing me a short test summary info that this test has been failed, and like you were having up a assertion error in the test underscore fun2 function. You were having up a assertion error, and that's assert pen is equal to pencil. Fine. And 1 failed, 2 passed. Okay, so this is how actually you could put up the I would say you could use up these things into the program, into this particular PyTest as well. If I make this now similar, like pen is equal to pen, and now if I try to run this out, okay, I accidentally opened the Python console, it's the terminal. So here goes PyTest dash v, and then I am having my test file name, so it's test demo3 dot py, and hit out the enter. So yeah, now see what it is showing, that it has collected up the 3 items from the test demo3 file. It collected up test fun1, and then it collected up test fun2, and then it collected up test fun3, right? And all of these 3 are actually passed here. So in total 3 are passed, and this was the time, that is 0.16 seconds, that is the time it is taken for the execution, and for the checking of all of these 3 particular functions which we did define, right? So here is the, like, this is how you write up the test actually into the PyTest. And yes, previously I did only show you for the integers, that how does this works for integers, and right here I just had as well shown you regarding that how it works for the strings as well. So either integers or strings, any of these cases work very correctly into the PyTest for whatever the test you are putting. This as well gives you the very clear output, right? So hope I am very much clear with this particular thing to you. Regarding one more example for executing your test, right? So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.